Curb appeal plays a significant role in the overall perception and value of your home, especially in a vibrant city like Dallas. With its blend of modern luxury and southern charm, neighborhoods throughout Dallas, from Highland Park to Bishop Arts District, place a strong emphasis on exterior aesthetics. One often overlooked yet highly impactful way to boost curb appeal is by upgrading your front door. Here's how this change can transform your home and why it matters to Dallas homeowners. Enhancing visual appeal. The front door serves as the focal point of your home's exterior and often sets the tone for the entire property. When passers-by or visitors approach, the first thing they notice is the entrance. Replacing an old, faded, or worn-out door with a stylish new one creates a lasting positive impression. Dallas neighborhoods vary in style, from the chic contemporary designs of Uptown to the historic elegance of Lakewood. Choosing a front door that complements your home's architecture elevates its overall appearance, making it stand out in your neighborhood. Consider options like craftsman-style doors with intricate woodwork for historic homes or sleek steel doors for modern abodes. Choosing a bold color, such as deep red, navy blue, or even bright yellow, adds character and makes your home memorable. Increasing home value. Dallas homeowners understand that every investment in their property counts. A new front door is a relatively affordable improvement with a strong return on investment, ROI. According to industry studies, upgrading your entry door can yield as much as 70% to 100% of its cost upon resale. Prospective buyers and appraisers recognize the attention to detail and care that goes into home improvements, and a stylish front door signals that the entire home has been well maintained. In neighborhoods where home values are competitive, a refreshed front door can be a strategic move to elevate your home's perceived value. It can distinguish your property from others and entice buyers to consider your home first. Improving security and energy efficiency. While aesthetics are crucial, functionality should never be overlooked. Many older homes in Dallas have front doors that may lack modern security features. New doors often come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced materials, and shatter-resistant glass, offering peace of mind for homeowners. Additionally, a high-quality door can improve your home's energy efficiency. With Dallas experiencing a wide range of weather conditions, scorching summers and occasional winter chills, an energy-efficient front door can reduce drafts, maintain indoor temperatures, and lower energy bills. Look for doors with proper insulation, weather stripping, and energy-efficient materials such as fiberglass or steel. Personalizing your home's style. Your front door provides a unique opportunity to express your personal style and give your home a touch of personality. Customization options for front doors are nearly endless, ranging from classic wood and decorative glass panels to modern metal designs. Homeowners in Dallas can tailor their door's design to reflect their aesthetic preferences while blending seamlessly with neighborhood trends. Additions such as unique hardware, side lights, or transom windows can also make your door stand out. These touches create a welcoming entrance that enhances the entire home's character, making it a reflection of you and your family. Increasing curbside interest. In some Dallas neighborhoods, homeowners enjoy the sense of pride and community that comes with attractive, well-maintained homes. A beautiful front door encourages neighbors to take notice, often sparking conversations and even inspiring others to make home improvements. This ripple effect can enhance the collective curb appeal of your entire street or community, fostering a greater sense of community pride. Conclusion. Upgrading your front door may seem like a small change, but it has the power to make a significant impact on your home's curb appeal, value, and security. Dallas neighborhoods thrive on beauty, character, and quality. By investing in a new front door, you're not only enhancing your home's visual appeal but also contributing to a more attractive and cohesive community. Whether you're aiming to sell your property or simply want to elevate its style, a new front door is a smart, cost-effective solution that Dallas homeowners shouldn't overlook.